Hello beautiful people, today we are at task number 7 inside Windows Fundamentals 3, Device Security. Even though you'll probably never change any of these settings for completion's sake. Yeah, okay, it will be covered briefly. We have device security, a snapshot. Security that comes built in with your device. Core isolation, virtualization-based security is running to protect the core parts of your device. We can see details and standard hardware security not supported. A little description of core isolation. Memory integrity prevents attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. Pretty cool. So after you go to core isolation details, you will see the following. Memory integrity. Warning, unless you are 100% confident in what you are doing, it is recommended that you leave the default settings. The below images are from another machine to show another security feature that should be available in a personal Windows 10 device. Security processor. Your security processor, called the Trust Platform Module, is providing additional encryption for your device. Perfect. Below are the security processor details. Here we can see the trusted information about your trusted platform module. Manufacturer, right version, specification version, and all other details we can see about the processor. What is the trusted platform module? Per Microsoft, trusted platform module technology is designed to provide hardware-based security-related functions. A trusted platform module chip is a secure crypto processor that is designed to carry out cryptographic operations. This chip includes multiple physical security mechanisms to make it tamper resistant, and malicious software is unable to tamper with the security functions of the trusted platform module. Answer the questions below. What is the TPM? Trusted platform module. Amazing.